Imagine storing thousands of students, employees, or products and finding any one of them instantly using just a name instead of counting positions. That's exactly what Python dictionaries do. And once you learn them, you will use them in almost every Python project. Think of a real dictionary. You don't search every page one by one. You look up a word and it gives you its meaning immediately. Python dictionaries work exactly the same way. Instead of page numbers, they use keys and each key store a corresponding value. In this video, we will cover three things: creating and accessing dictionaries, adding, updating, deleting and looping through data, useful dictionary methods and nested dictionaries. Coming to the basics. Unlike lists that use numbers as indices, dictionaries store information as key value pairs. See here, this is a key and this is a value. This is a key value pair. Inside curly braces, every key is followed by a colon and then its value. To retrieve data, simply provide the key inside square brackets. Here I have executed the first code. See here we have created a dictionary with name student and it has keys name, age and course. For each key, the dictionary has values. For name Elise, age 20, course Python. This is the this is how we define a dictionary. For accessing the values, we use the variable student and in square brackets we are using the key for which we want to find the value. This is how we can retrieve the information. See, here also I have prepared some code. This is how we created a dictionary and printed the dictionary. See, within the curly braces, it has a key and a value followed by a colon. This is how we create a dictionary. And how do we access these values? See, I have a code. I'm executing it. In the code, we are using the dictionary variable and within the square brackets we are using a key for which we want to find out we want to retrieve the value. Here we retrieved what is the value of name in student and age of a student. Now here I have written some code here. I'm executing it. See, carefully observe what will be the output. Key error. See here we have created a dictionary. In the dictionary we have the keys as name, age and course only, but here we are accessing salary. As the key is not available in this dictionary, it thrown an error, key error. A common beginner mistake is assuming every key is available. How to fix it? By using a get method. See here, I'm executing it. See, we are using a get method to get the information of a key. See, printf student.get of salary. Then it returned and we get the output as none. This is how we can retrieve information safely using a get method. Now, core operations. First one, adding and updating. Adding new information is easy. Just assign a new key. We have name, age and course, right? See here, we have name, age and course in our defined dictionary. Now, I would like to add one new key with the name city. For that, I am using this syntax. See, just we are assigning a new key student of in square brackets, we are assigning that key city is equal to Hyderabad. In this way, we can add a new key. If you want to update the existing key value, then how? As we all know how to access the information of a particular value by using square brackets. See, student of age, this key we have already in our dictionary, and we have value as 20 for this age. Now I'm going to update it to 21. For that, I am writing this syntax: student in square brackets age is equal to 21. We will see what would be the output after executing these two statements. See, in our dictionary, earlier we don't have a key named city, but now we have a new key named as city and its value as Hyderabad. And in the earlier dictionary, we have the value for age is 20. After executing this code, we got it as 21. This is how we can add a new key and update value for an existing key. Coming to delete. How to delete a key? Using del keyword. This del keyword permanently removes a key. This is the code. See here, I have already prepared some code for you. In the dictionary named student, we are going to delete city key permanently. For that, this is the code: delete del student in square brackets. We are giving here city. Now the output is as shown on the screen. See here, I am highlighting it. As we deleted city, in the resultant dictionary, the key value pair of city did not appear. I believe you understand. Coming to next method, pop. This pop method also used to delete a key and value pair. The difference is that we already used del keyword and now we are using pop. Both are used to delete a key and value pair in dictionary. But what is the difference? The difference is that pop method removes the item and also returns its value. Returns its value. See, I have prepared some code snippet here. I'm executing it. Yeah. In the code, we stored the return value of pop in a keyword named removed and we printed it. See here, we removed course, right? What did we remove? Course. The removed already saved the return value that returned student.pop, and later we printed the resultant dictionary. Here earlier we have name, age and course, but now after popping we have only name and age. This is how pop method works. We use del and pop methods to remove key value pair in a dictionary. The del keyword deletes a key value pair but did not return any value, unlike pop method. This is the difference. Now coming to the in keyword. The in keyword quickly checks whether a key exists or not. See, here in our earlier output, we have name and age in our dictionary. We checked here name in student and also salary in student. As name existed, it resulted true. As salary did not exist, it returned false value. This is how the in keyword is used to find whether a key exists in a dictionary or not. Now, moving to looping. In looping, You can loop through just keys, just values, or both together using items. Items. Using items method. See here in the first example, in the first line of code, we are going to loop through only keys. For key in student, print key. And in the second line of code, we are looping through only values. That is, for value in student.values, print values. See the difference in the code. For keys, we are not using any method here. For key in student, print key. And coming to the next line of code, for value in student.values, print values. But when you are going to loop through key and value, then we are using a method named items. For key comma value in student.items, print key and value. I'm executing it. Carefully see the output. What will be the output of first line of code? Name and age. Here, what are the keys available in the dictionary? Only name and age. So name and age returned as a result of first line of code. Coming to values, Elise and age 21. In the third line of from the third line of code, we got key and value. Key and value. This is how we loop through dictionaries. Now I'm going to access this student of course. See here, I'm executing it. Key error. We deleted it earlier using pop, right? See here. Where is it? Yeah, we deleted it here. What did we delete? Using pop course. This key is deleted using this pop method, and later in our code we are accessing this course. So Python throws an error, that is key error. We have discussed earlier, to retrieve safe information we have to use .get method. Here in this code I have applied this get method and retrieving information. See here, as course is not available, the output is course not found. This is how we can use .get method to retrieve information safely. Coming to important dictionary methods. As we already discussed, .get method is used to retrieve information safely. See, I am executing it. .get lets us provide a default value if the key does not exist. See, here, as the name already available, it retrieved the value of name. And here, as a salary not available, the key salary is not available, it returned a different value. In this way, .get method is used to retrieve information safely. Coming to keys, values and methods. We have already discussed in our earlier code while looping through keys, values and items. These are all the inbuilt methods to retrieve keys and values and items. See, I'm executing the code. We have all for the first line of code we retrieved all the keys, name, age. In the second, we retrieved those values. For the third items, we retrieved the key value pair as, what is this? Key value pairs as tuples. We discussed in our earlier videos. If anybody did not watch it, go and watch it. It is there in the playlist. What will be the result of how to retrieve the information pertaining to a key value pair? In which form, in which data structure we retrieve the information? In the form of tuples, right? The above methods help us inspect the dictionary quickly. Coming to nested dictionary. Nested means a dictionary containing another dictionary. Okay. Nesting dictionary means a dictionary already containing another dictionary. See here, this is a student dictionary. It has keys like name, age, marks. And again, for the values, the marks stores in the form of a dictionary. Okay. This is called nested dictionary. This is perfect for storing structured information like student records. Now we will move to method chaining. How to chain methods. Here we are safely accessing one dictionary. And then another using chained. See, the student dictionary is a nested dictionary. It has another dictionary in that dictionary. So here we are accessing both the dictionary values. See here, student.getMarks. This is the key value of student. And in that, we are accessing the marks of Python. This Python is another key value of this marks dictionary available in student dictionary. This is how we are going to get the information of a dictionary in a chained method manner. See here, this is a code of this is a simple code. How we are accessing information. See here, as student dictionary has two as the student dictionary is a nested dictionary, we are accessing the information. As I have said earlier, we can access the information of a key by using squared bracket, right? This is how we are trying to access this information, and we'll check what will be the output. Oops, we got key error because this science is not available in the nested dictionary. See, we have only Python and math as keys, but we are trying to get the information pertaining to science. So it returned key error. As I have been telling you from the beginning of this video, to retrieve the information safely, we have to use .get method. I'm executing this code after using this get method. See what will be the output. It returned as no marks, as science is not available in the dictionary. Okay, today you learned the dictionary store information as key value pairs. You learned how to create them, access them, update values, delete items, loop through them, and use useful methods like .get, .keys, .values, and .items. Finally, you saw how nested dictionaries help organize real-world data. Now, here is a challenge for the viewers. Employee equal to name Chinjon. Your challenge is to add an experience key, update the salary, remove the department, and print every key value pair. Post your output in the comments. I'll personally check as many as I can. Now that you understand dictionaries, the next step is learning conditional statements. Subscribe so you don't miss it.